I prefer to stand. Silence, fool. I've suffered your presence long enough.
We were gonna roast wieners and play flashlight tag. We're making history here. A collection of villains like this has never been assembled before.
I see no villains. Just some fools whose only ability is wasting time. No, not really. Even with all this help, you still couldn't defeat Sonic. Out of the way, you buffoon. Your shoddy craftsmanship brings shame on all hedgehog kind, and for that you shall perish.
We did it! Sonic was defeated by Team Eggman! Victory selfie!
You fool! I had him just where I wanted it. Enough! How's a guy supposed to destroy his foes with dolts like you wandering around? We'll fight again soon, Sonic, but next time on my terms.
Shadow, I have a proposition for you.
Find some other pawn, Eggman. I'll never work with you again.
Oh, Shadow!
You again? This aggression shall not stand. Sonic and his friends shall pay. Time to take out the trash.
Shadow, what are you doing here?
Fox hunting. That was almost too easy.
Well, it ain't over yet!
That all you got?
We're just getting started.
About time you showed up, slowpoke. Say goodnight, blue boy. Any last words, Sonic?
Yeah. Volcano Wonder Pants!
What? That doesn't even make it... You have the reflexes of a panther.
Is that an insult? I thought panthers were fast.
Maybe compared to you.
Why are you doing this, Shadow?
You'll pay for the things you said about me. What are you implying? That Eggman manipulated that footage to manipulate me? I cannot allow Eggman to make a fool of me. He must pay for this. Where is he? Eggman, you shall perish for tricking me. Your elaborate costume doesn't fool me. Where's Eggman?
It's a whole different place. Eggman could be anywhere. Or he could be right there. We have to coordinate a spin attack from opposite sides.
I take orders from no one. This is only the beginning of the end. I'm no longer satisfied simply taking vengeance on that lackwit Eggman. I want revenge on this whole pathetic universe. That's why I took those mustached fools to a secret location. Now you're catching on. So long, fools. Forever. I'm not thrilled with the results, but I must admit I'm impressed with how you saved